Are you preparing for your learner's license test? Here's a quick cheat sheet on the most important driving rules you need to remember to pass with confidence. Let's dive right in. Here are the top 8 driving rules every learner driver must know. 1. Keep left. The most important rule: always keep as far to the left of the road as possible. This keeps you and other drivers safe. Number 2. Obey road signs. You may not disobey any road traffic sign or rule, unless a traffic officer orders you to. Number 3. Keep control. You're not allowed to let anyone or anything stop you from having complete control of your vehicle. Number 4. No interference. When driving, no one is allowed to grab the steering wheel or interfere with how you operate the car. Number 5. Clear view. You must always have a full view of the road and traffic ahead. You can't drive if you don't have full control or a clear view. Number 6. No protruding body parts. Your body must not stick out of the vehicle while it's moving, except when giving a hand signal. Number 7. No roof riders. Don't let anyone or any animal ride on the roof, steps, or running boards while the vehicle is in motion. Number 8. Stay off sidewalks. Lastly, you're not allowed to drive, pull, or push a vehicle on a sidewalk. Keep these rules in mind when studying for your test, and you'll be ready to ace it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick cheat sheets just like this. Good luck and safe driving.